Hi everyone, in this video I'm presenting to you a popular task that occurs in Junior Python developer job interviews. I'll explain everything step by step. Bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm that repeatedly steps through the list, compares adjacent elements, and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. The algorithm gets its name from the way smaller elements bubble to the top of the list. The process is repeated until the list is sorted. This algorithm has a worst-case and average-case time complexity of O(n)², where n is the number of elements in the list, making it inefficient for large lists. Sort the given list using the bubble sort algorithm. First, we define a function called bubble sort and give it an argument r, which is a list of numbers that we want to sort. Next, we start a for loop that will run n times. This loop will iterate through each element of the list r. In the inner loop, we use another for loop that will iterate through each element of the list r and compare it to the next element. This inner loop starts from the first element, index 0, and goes all the way to the second last element, index n-i-1. Now, inside the inner loop, we have an if statement that checks if the current element is greater than the next element. If it is, we use tuple unpacking to swap the values of these two elements. After the inner loop is completed, the largest element will have bubbled up to the end of the list. We repeat this process until all elements have been compared and sorted. Finally, we return the sorted list R. Now we create our list R and fill it with unsorted numbers. Finally, let's use our function and pass the list R as argument. And that's it. In this code, we have implemented the bubble sort algorithm, which sorts the list R in an ascending order by comparing each pair of elements and swapping them if necessary. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.